Hello, I'm Dr. Smith. This is my music classroom, and I'm going to show you a few things on the piano. It's quite easy and fun if you know a few simple things. So I'm going to show you a C chord, I'm going to show you an F chord, I'm going to show you a G chord, but we're going to start off with a C scale, and then we're going to play around with it, and that's when it gets fun. Good luck. First, we're going to play a C scale. I find C below the two black notes, and there's C. I'm going to play it thumb, first finger, second finger, crossover. Thumb, 2, 3, 4, 5. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C. Next, I'm going to play the C chord. And the C chord is made up of 1, 3, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on my fingers. 1, 3, 5. I'm not going to finger it like this. I'm going to finger it like this. Then I'm going to play I'm going to play the F chord. 1, 3, 5. How do I get up to F? C, D, E, F. And from there I go 1, 3, 5. And now I'm going to play the G chord. G, B, D. How do I find G? It's one higher than F. C, D, E, F, G. G chord. So now what do I do with my left hand? My left hand is going to find C, again down below the two black notes. I'm only playing 1 and 5 in the left hand. So I've got C and G, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, C and G. Now I'm going to go up to the F chord, C, D, E, F. Now I'm going to go up to the G chord, back to the C chord. I'm going to just play around with it a little bit. F, G, C. I can do some different patterns. This is F, G, by playing around with it, I can be creative, and I just feel like I'm making it my own. And you should make it your own, because it's kind of fun to do this. I'm going to add in the A chord. Now the A chord is not a major chord because it starts on the 6th scale degree. C, D, E, F, G, A, C, E. And you hear it has a hint of minor. It's a minor chord. Sounds different. So I'm going to go from 1, but I'm going to go down. 6, 4, 5, 1. That is my favorite chord progression. So now, if I go C, we know this is B because it goes down. This is A, F, G, C. C, A, F, G, C. A minor, F, G,
that helped.
Good luck.